Artwork fly.
These are the samples that I show to my students who do not have any creative idea in terms of what to put on an artwork or what to do, etc. So I show them these samples so they can get an idea or a spark of inspiration to do their art piece. Now you have different painting techniques, there are different mixed media techniques, etc. It is very good to have different samples that you can always look back on or show to someone. So I would definitely recommending you doing something like this. Now I have a long way to go because I want to create more samples, more difficult techniques and stuff like that. But as the time goes by, so I will not rush it. Some of my students believe that it's hard to paint. It's not hard to paint, it's just your mindset, because some of these things are extremely easy to do. Not some, but all. If you see anyone here that you want to ask me about, feel free to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.